Your private belongs to your husband. For the moment, you know, like the marriage. Anything concerning your private, I will dig you money. Every put out the issue. You will have private to go. Happy to go. Private to go. Hard to go.
Let's go back. Let's go back. It's not fair.
Why are you following me around? Why they pursue me, they follow me? When I don't have a rapport. Eh?
Pastor, we just have to go back and finish what we started. Pastor, please. You know why I called you? You've not done it.
I should follow you, go back.
Yes.
Let me finish what we started.
Exactly.
I should follow you back to go finish what we started. Just listen to yourself. Why I go follow you go back to that house? No, just give me one pathological reason why I go follow you go back to that house.
Because you're my pastor.
Because I am waiting.
You're my pastor.
In fact, from this moment, I am no longer your pastor. What I be to you now, your pastor by. Because your heart is evil. You have evil intentions over me.
Pastor, you got it all wrong.
How?
Pastor, I don't have any bad intentions.
So what did make you call a man of God like me, a man who pledged man where blood they run for my body?
It is smoking.
You say make I come your house, come do family prayer. My mind be say if I enter there, your husband and another check. If you need anything, maybe your mother-in-law, you don't bring them from village. Mother-in-law, I'm like that. Everybody don't come back. I work on my family liberation, on my family deliverance. I come to your house. Your husband don't take. Your mother-in-law didn't say anything. Your children, all of them don't go to school. The only house girl where they house when I enter. Buy me Medicare, buy me concealer, buy me foundation, tell them eyelashes and then tell them primer, tell them tell them here my grammar, mascara. Buy you this. Come back here. Remember, buy me other pad. I will start seeing my menses after tomorrow. You know, why must you say all those nonsense before me if you don't get evil intention? Why must it be when your husband is not around? You invited a pastor, a man where blood is saved. Me where they here, I know how my body be. I know how many panties I wear inside. Just to hold myself because I'm at my home to show this guy. Get what I'm doing, you need my room. Me, but I'm maybe someone ready for it. Come down and fight the other day. I'm at the norm, get India. Get in one pampeluku. You see here, if I take a snake here, pastor. Was one but as a girl with a romantic color. Pastor, come inside. Me get much question and body book. Yes, I got inside. Jabby walk. Jabby walk, I reject you, I reject everything we send you to call.
Cool down. Cool down. It's not like that. You're still getting it wrong. It's not like that. I don't have any intention. I only want you to pray for me. You didn't see my family, that's because I'm standing as a point of contact to the whole family. That is why you didn't see anybody at home. Don't mind. Come and pray for me, Pastor.
The only woman standing. Look at you. We stand for the behalf of all the family. You, with all these things where you dance like a snake here. Ruby. Come wear a name and neck at the pretty serpent. Come get so I can't even that room. Anything we send you to call me, I dodge you. See, now people like when they bring bad name to all these men of God. I'm a man everywhere. I'm a man of God. I think man of God, a human being. Now woman, honor. My blood they run inside him body. When I'm not the tempt men of God, they use them, they do it. Yeah. Now they tempt us. I go carry full-fledged man like me. What if we start deliverance? But at the venture I start the road you. I lay my hand because I come to anoint you. What can anoint? La Liga mega lalia. That time go the cause na dem would do. Nobody where you go open for tell am say make you no look. Na human being I be no matter how word of God you carry for head. I am no long one we don't resist it. Oh man kai we no dey tempt us. That house I never go there again.
Pastor, what I make say a man of God is to withstand and overcome everything that comes your way.
Also, what it make me a man of God? Now to withstand and overcome. The day when you come to my church, you see by the right overcomers minister. Is that the name of my church? The name of my church is I Wonder Ministry International. Whether the GO be the head and the general overseer. So please, don't tempt me. I go overcome. Now, human being I be. Job was tempted. Remember, even God himself, Christ himself was tempted. He was a robot teacher. I see a robot teacher what happened? Upon resist here. I say, no, but maybe only in the love of bread that woman being go chop and they alive. But the word of God is enough to make you alive. Spirit is where God lives. Flesh is weak. Flesh on your loud. Everybody have his own fleshly pathological diabolism. So don't push me into sin in the name of family prayer. From today, if you want to change church, change. If you want to stop coming, coming. But if you see private prayer, desist from it. Anything where will bring destruction to your marriage, take your hands away from it. Seek God while it lasts, and not seek God under my bedroom, because there is something attached to it. Your heart is not clear. I put it to you. Oh yes. So please go back to your house and then tell that devil who push you to leave you alone. I, Daddy G.O., I am untemptable.
That you won't getting the whole thing wrong. I just wanted our privacy for some personal reasons. It's not what you think.
Your privacy belongs to your husband. You know, for the moment, you know, like the marriage, anything concerning your privacy, I will dig you money. Every put out the issue. You have private to go. Happy to go. Private to go. Hara to go. Anything will be a private for your husband. Why you don't need me to you to your privacy? Anything that's in a private guard. In fact, my privacy, I know greasy. Privacy, I know greasy. I think there's any place that have vision. Who have nonsense privacy. Privatized property. Privatized property. I refuse to see it. Repent. Whatever be your heart desire, God is watching you. Even if anybody knows me, God is seeing you. I mean, you go whenever you do your intention by the way. But where would you do a bad one? It was your
This man is right anyway. But that's not the intention. Just that my husband doesn't like all this church job of the thing. Anyway, what to do now?